How to restart iPad. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to restart your iPhone, you can try to press and hold the top button along with the volume up or volume down button until the slider appears. Once the slider appears, drag the power slider until the very end, and with this your iPad will be shut down. You can then tap hold on the power button again until it turns on. The next method is if you have assistive touch on your iPad, then tap on the assistive touch and then tap on device option you see there. Further, tap on the More option and you will see the option for Restart. Tap on that, and in the confirmation that appears, tap on Restart again, and with this, your iPhone will take an auto restart. So, this is how you can restart iPad. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.